What's up? I'm Gianna. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's get to the video. Okay guys, so today we're going to be making mac and cheese, but in the microwave. I've done this multiple times. It works. It's delicious. So let's get to our ingredients. So we're going to be using some whole milk, sharp cheddar, just a spoon, a measuring cup needs to be focused, half a cup, elbow macaronis, fresh ground black peppercorn from Sprouts, and then fine Atlantic sea salt, also from Sprouts. So let's get into cooking. Guys, so to start, I have the mug. I'm gonna make it in a mug. Now we're going to get our 1/2 cup measuring. We're gonna get our measuring cup and our elbow macaroni. So let's open it up. Perfect. Now I'm gonna put it over here. We're going to put 1/2 cup of macaroni in here. Now I'll just pour that into our bowl right here, or cup. And then we are going to get some water. I'm gonna get 1/2 cup of water. Perfect. So let's bring it over to our mug, put it in our mug. Perfect. Put everything back. Okay. Now we're going to take our salt, just a little bit. We're gonna just put some salt. There we go, just a little bit. And then mix it around a little bit. And now we're going to put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. And we'll see you back when it's ready. Okay, so while our macaroni is in the microwave, let's get to our cheese. So we're going to get our 1/2 cup measuring cup yet again. We're gonna open up our fine cut cheese, and we're gonna put 1/2 cup of cheese into our measure. We're gonna get 1/2 cup of cheese. Perfect. Now let me put the cheese away. Perfect. So we have our 1/2 cup of cheese. Our macaroni is still in the microwave. So let's wait for the macaroni, and we'll see you then. Okay, here's our macaroni. Gonna stir it a little. Perfect. Now we've got our cheese. Let's just put it in. Let's get every last little bit. Okay, cheese is good. Now that we have our cheese in here, we're gonna want to shake up our milk, a splash of white milk, of whole milk. Well, if you like it, here, there you go. If you like it a little like milky, I guess. Definitely do whatever you want, but I don't like it too milky, so that. I'm going to take our black pepper. And then we're just gonna do a lot of it. Perfect. As you can see, that's what it should look like now without mixing it. Perfect. Okay, so now we don't need anything else yet. No, we don't need we just need the spoon. So let's put this stuff away. And then with the spoon, you're going to just mix the macaroni and the cheese mixture. Get it all back in. Mix it for a little, just so it's a little mushed everywhere. Let's taste. Delicious. Okay, now it's mixed. Let's put it in the microwave yet again for an extra 30 seconds. And now, let's see you later. Okay, perfect. The macaroni is back out of the microwave. Let's stir it some more. Perfect. Now it's time for the taste test. So, see, it's very cheesy. Okay, let's taste it now. Very cheesy. It's hot. Oops. Cheesy, creamy, it's delicious. So, I recommend you to try this 5-minute recipe. It's really good. So, go make it for yourself. It's worth it.